Good morning, everyone. Is it a good morning, Kat? How much sleep did you get last night? We're done with today and it hasn't even started. Don't let this fool you, this weather. It looks clearer out there today, but it's going to get worse. So I'm going to go load up the bike now. And then we can get going. All of the stuff we want to do today is at the end of the route. My route planner is saying it's going to take 3 hours. Google says it's going to take 4. So we suspect there's roadworks. They're not so bad, but it's when it's cold, wet, rainy, and you're sitting there for 10 minutes. It gets to you. But anyway, I'm going to start today with a positive mental attitude. Today's going to be a good day. For me, it's day 28 on the road. It's Kat's last full day today. We're doing Lysebotn, the Lysebotn road. We're going to go see a dam.
Go stand on the rock.
And we're going to go try and stand on the rock. So we are adamant we're going to leave in half an hour. We're going to leave at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock latest. Get on the road. It should be 2 hours to get around that area. That's it for now. I can already feel the rain in the air. And it's chilly. It's already pretty cold out there. The life of a legend. Cheers, babe.
Can you at least like hold your leg up?
What are you doing?
Doing them properly.
Whoa, look at that, proper chop.
I'm gonna roll these off, touch them.
Roll them off. Oh,
Yeah,
look at
because
me, I'm
otherwise
trendy.
it's
I'm trendy.
No, because otherwise they're gonna get really wet.
Yeah, well, I won't get chilly though. Calm down. You know, there's women out there. See a bit of ankle. Oh, calm down. We'll get pulled over for indecent exposure at this rate. Thank you very much. Guess what time it is now? It's time for the other leg.
Look. I suppose you could manage that.
I'm so flexible. Sit rep. It's 10:10. We're late.
You've done the zip up. Oh God, you can't even. Will you sort yourself out? Like move your foot. You're not being the slightest bit helpful.
Job's a good one. Thank you. At least my waterproof's not full of duct tape.
I've got a new hole somewhere.
Oh, I started doing.
No, look, I don't know where it's come from.
This is a family-friendly YouTube channel. I honestly, when I was booking all this or planning all this, I honestly thought these would be the easier days. Who would have thought the Arctic would be the easy part?
Look at the pretty flowers. They're really cute. I think they're pansies. A bit like you.
Enough of cat cam. Enough of that, thank you. Alright, let's get on the road. Oh, hey look! More roadworks! Not even 10 miles in. But I'm positive today. It's not raining, it's not as cold, and it's dry, which is the same thing as it not raining. So fucking done. There's no crosswinds, that's the other thing I was supposed to say. We're looking good. Another set of roadworks. It's now raining again, as I'm sure you'll be surprised to hear. But we're not on top of a mountain yet, so it's not that cold and there's no crosswinds. Staying positive.
Let me tuck the hood in before I murder you.
Okay. And back into the clouds. How are you doing? Thumbs up gestures. Are you cold? Okay, so we're doing pretty good. It looks like we're just doing mountain roads now until we get to Lysebotn. I think I'm pronouncing that right. So midday at the moment, and we still got to do that hike and the Lysebotn road. Jesus Christ, you scared the fucking life out of me.
Hi.
Right, we're doing quite well, do you think?
Yeah, I think so.
We've only got about 70 odd miles left.
70.
You're in a very strippy mood today. An attempt of some good drone footage. Thanks for sticking around. Yeah, it's not working, it's too windy, and if I fly out that way where I want to go, I'm not going to get it back. I'm not risking it. That's it, just trying to stay stationary. Right, come on. Get nice and close. There we go. Bends in. Right, okay, things are looking up. Positive, mental, attitude. Happy with that? Yeah? Good. I say, oh, benzene!
Benzene!
Benzene! Benzene! Let's go! I don't really know what I was expecting, but I was expecting something a bit better than this, I think. Do you agree?
Yeah.
Okay, this dam and the longest tunnel in Europe, you've let me down. There you go, you've let me down. I was expecting big things. Given up? Yeah. Should we sack this off? Yeah. And then we've got more time to do that walk. Right, let's go. Do the Lysebotn road and then come back up and do the walk behind that rock, Kjerag Rock. Right, so we've done the road. It's pretty cool, couldn't see much. I wanted to get the drone up, but I couldn't. It's too windy, it's starting to rain, and there's power lines all the way through it. Right, so we've got 34 miles to go. We've still got to do this hike, which could take a couple of hours, which is fine. We're making good time, but we're wary about driving through that mountain road in the dark and the rain. Just go fuck with it. Time to go back up now. Right, back at the top. Even windier up here. And now we're going to go do this this walk to find this rock. Okay, so unfortunately we're too late to do the walk. When I looked it up, it was like a 4-mile hike, a couple of hours, and now this is saying 5 hours, and granted, I didn't know how to walk up this. So I've let Cat down. This is going to be a huge thing, and I fucked it up. That was a horrible start to a walk.
Yeah.
Your ankles aren't built for this. How is it anyone expected to walk up that? I hate her sometimes. I hate her. Maybe it is 4.8 kilometres, but it's a bloody steep hill. I'm really sorry, I've let everyone down. I ain't getting stuck on another fucking mountain again. Okay, this is very unusual territory for us. We have got off a mountain, it's daytime, and we're dry. If some idiot did the proper research about seeing a rock, it would almost be an ideal day. So, we've just been shopping. Cat's managed to squeeze 12 cans of cider, 12 cans of beer in a backpack, all of our food for tonight, which is great. And we've also got an open fire, but we need wood. So we've bought some wood at the local shop. Yeah, but we've now got to get that. That's heavy.
How heavy? Can I pick it up with one arm, basically? A good plan though, if I try. I've got the bike. That's my baby. That sits on my leg. And then you get on afterwards.
Okay. We've only got 4.5 miles to go.
I'd rather do it like this and then not have to make 2 trips.
Remember that.
Sure.
Right, what would you like first? The wood.
I don't know where you're going. Oh, we'll be alright.
Come on, hurry up! Fucking slow coach. Right. We'll be taking this slow. 4.5 miles, let's go! She can fit more on. Right, left corner coming up, 3 miles left to go. Right, I think we're here. Do you need a hand? Okay, so this place is awesome. That's our hot tub. Awesome. Weird looking toilet things. Freezing cold room. Because they haven't put the heating on. That's fine. We don't have any linens, but hey ho, or towels, but whatever. This is the sitting room. That's the cat. Table. Kitchen. There's like a waterfall down here as well. Upstairs. Another room. Little chairs. And a teeny tiny room. Yeah, so that's where we're staying tonight. Amazing.